How to make barbecue ribs at home. Making barbecue ribs at home is a delicious and fun activity that you can enjoy with your family and friends. Here is a simple recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 2 racks of baby back ribs, about 3 to 4 pounds. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Combine brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper in a small bowl to create the dry rub. 3. Pat the ribs dry with paper towels and remove the thin membrane on the back of the ribs. 4. Rub the dry rub generously over both sides of the ribs. 5. Wrap each rack of ribs tightly in aluminum foil, place them on a baking sheet, and bake them in the oven for 2.5 to 3 hours, or until the meat is tender and falls off the bone. 6. Remove the ribs from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. 7. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. 8. Brush the barbecue sauce generously over both sides of the ribs. 9. Grill the ribs for 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until they are caramelized and slightly charred. 10. Remove the ribs from the grill and let them rest for a few minutes. 11. Slice the ribs and serve them with your favorite sides. Enjoy your delicious homemade barbecue ribs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.